how we spend it, cause I feel me money. Independent gal, real number one trending gal. Now fi check when me spending gal. Have me one house.
Hi guys, it's Mikayla and I'm back with another video for you guys. So last week on June 13th, I celebrated my 21st birthday. So yes, your girl is legal, like real legal now. So I decided to do a quick little video to show you guys what I received for my 21st birthday. So yeah, let's get started. So I had like a little barbecue in my mom's backyard for my birthday, you know, invited a couple people, you know, music, food, drinks, and all that good stuff. So I was fortunate enough to have some money like pinned on me. So I did receive some money for my birthday, so that was like a part of my gift or whatever. And yeah, I kind of vlogged my birthday just a little bit, so I don't know if I'm gonna incorporate this video and that video into one or like two separate videos, but yeah, you'll be able to see that if I do decide to post it. So yeah, I did receive money for my birthday, and then I think I'm just gonna start off with what I got myself for my birthday. So first and foremost, I ordered myself a new TV, but obviously I can't show you guys because I ordered it and it won't be here until like next week. I ordered it from Best Buy, but I just ordered me like a 43-inch Samsung Smart TV, you know. I did have a 55, but it fell and broke, so yeah, I had to order a new one. So that was a birthday gift to myself. And then I ordered these clear Steve Madden little shoes. I wore these for my birthday. I'll insert a clip of how I looked on my birthday. I was gorgeous, okay? I looked it like a princess, like, no, a queen. I looked like a queen. But yeah, I wore these shoes for my birthday just for pictures. You know, I kicked these right off after. But yeah, these are super cute. And now what I have right here in my lap was like my biggest purchase yet. I've been wanting a pair of these for the longest, so I was like, you know what, I'm 21, let me just treat myself, okay? Because if I don't treat myself, who will? No one. So yeah, I got myself a pair of Gucci sneakers. Yes, I've been wanting a pair for the longest. Wait, quick thumbnail. Hey, Gucci. So yeah, I wanted a pair of Gucci sneakers, and I was like debating on which ones I should get, but yeah, I love these. So I just got these. They're super cute, super colorful, and like you can honestly wear this with like anything. I love the design, little butterflies, little flowers. It's gorgeous. And these were like, they were $6.50. They were quite expensive, but they were totally worth it. I'm so glad that I have this in my collection. Next on my list is a Gucci little crossbody bag in this print. I'll get it. I don't know when, but I will get it. But yeah, so that was like my big purchase to myself, and I couldn't be any more happy. Like, I'm just totally in love with it. So yeah, that was my gift to myself. Another thing that I got for my birthday, my Chargy got it for me, you know, big up my Chargy. Got me these Apple Earpods. So yeah, I wanted them. I was gonna buy them myself if I didn't get them for my birthday, because yeah, I've been wanting a pair, you know. I had Beats, but they broke, so yeah. Apple Earpods. So yep, got that. And then along with the Apple Earpods, I got this Moscato and strawberry little wine. Hopefully it tastes good, and hopefully I can open it. I do not know how to open wine, and I'm not even a wine person like that, but yeah, I will drink it. So yeah, this should be good. And since I brought up the whole like liquors or drinks, I guess I'll just finish it off. I received this Ciroc collab with Machino. So yeah, it's a very cute packaging. So it comes with the big bottle of regular vodka Ciroc with these two shot glasses. And yeah, it just says Ciroc featuring Machino. Very cute, love it. And then I got this peach bottle of Ciroc Yeah, I did get a pineapple bottle of Ciroc too, but I have no idea like where it went. I don't know if it got like misplaced or if someone took it off my gift table at my mom's, but I also received a pineapple bottle of Ciroc, but I don't have it to show, but I did get that too. Somebody took it, but it's whatever. I'm not really that much of a drinker anyways. So going along with the whole drinks and stuff, I received these cute little shot glasses. I received 2 of them and they say finally 21. They're super cute. Love them. A little clear and black. Yeah. And in this little cute container, I received a glass that says happy birthday. So yeah, super cute, full of colors. I can just pour my little wine in this and sit back and relax and drink it. Then my best friend, he got me this 24K golden rose. It's super cute. So basically it just looks like this. It's super gorgeous. I love like the holographic look. And then it just comes with this this little stand. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna put this like on my little bedside table in my room. It'll definitely tie in with like my room colors. This is super cute and I love it. And my friend, he also got me a $25 Ulta gift card, but I just spent it today because I ordered a whole bunch of makeup from Ulta and Sephora today. So stay tuned. When those come in, I will be doing an unboxing of that. And then he got me this this ring fill light. So it's a ring light and it comes with the stand too, with the stands in the box. I didn't put it up yet, so it comes with like the tripod where I can put like my phone on. So this is very good. And I feel like it was so thoughtful because like I'm really gonna actually use this like with my YouTube videos. So instead of using my vanity lights, well, I can still use my vanity lights, but I'll be using this too. So that'll act as like 2 light sources for me. So my videos will be like more clearer. And I just love it. So I'm so glad he got me it. And then lastly, my friend, she got me this this little shirt and short set. I can't show you the front because I wore this yesterday and like I got spaghetti all over it. Yes, I'm a messy eater. But yeah, it's very cute. I love the colors and it's very comfortable. So it was just a shirt and a short set, and yeah. So guys, that was it. Just a quick little haul about what I got for my birthday. I'm so grateful for everything that I received. I'm so glad that I made it to see another year, especially 21. I feel like 21 is such a huge like milestone, you know what I mean? Like 21, like you're actually legal, you go in and buy your drinks, people start to take you more seriously, you're not viewed as a kid anymore. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.